Hi children, all of you, good afternoon. Welcome back to our EVS class. Okay, very good afternoon. So all of you on your videos now. Aruhi, Badia Harish, Sindrakuntla Harshita, and Charan Tej, Nematullah Beg. All of you on your videos. First on your video. Nematullah Beg. Who is this Racha Geeta? On your video, Marapol Bharat, Shinde Yashashvi, Chaitra, Krishna Samira, Sambhoj Varshit. So all of you on your videos. A very good afternoon. Please, Satvik, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Make it fast, boy. Don't waste my time. Hey, what is your doubt, Nana? Say fast. What happened? What happened to you? So how many times we said come to school? Just you call your father. With your father, come to school and talk with the teacher. I said, na. Yes or no? Hey, boy. Yes or no? So what happened? What happened? Say. Give me your answer. So don't waste my time. So how many times I call you? For mobile also not working. Any that is a minimum, Nana. So give me your answer. Yes or no? That one answer only you give me. So why you don't lift the call? So here I am. What I am doing here? I don't have any works. After this class, call me, Nana. After 1:30, you must and should call me today. You understood? Satvik, please Satvik. Yes? Today too, you just today you call me. After that, you first to come to school. Otherwise, come to school with your father. Your father is there only, but listening the words. Okay, children, welcome back to our EVS class, Nana. See, what is our lesson? Mapping neighborhood. So what is our lesson? Mapping neighborhood. Okay. See, children, in this mapping neighborhood, we learn directions. We have directions. We have how many directions are there? How many directions are there? Yeah, very good, Ramesh. Four. So we have four main directions: east, west, north, and south. So we have a four directions. So I explained the directions and how do we know that one instrument is there? Yes, that is compass. So I thought compass also, and the next is sketch. What is the sketch? Sketch means it is a rough drawing. Sketch is a rough drawing without any measurements. And then next is plan. Plan is a perfect drawing. So we give the measurements also. So we give with measurements to draw. And when we use that plans, buildings, hospitals, restaurants, and next schools. So we use that planning. Means it is a small area. That's why we give perfect measurements. That's why we give perfect measurements. So that is a small area. Okay, but the sketches we take that is rough drawing. It is small area and large area. It is anything, but we give only rough drawing only. But plan is that is small area, so that we are giving with measurements. Means with the help of scale. And next is map. So yesterday also I told this one map. So what is the map? Map is a drawing or diagram of a particular place. Map is a diagram of particular place, and it is drawing of a large area, Nana. It is drawing of a large area, means in towns, cities, and states and countries. That is total large area, na? So that's why we giving the map. So we know very well maps: India map, Pakistan map, China map, Nepal, America. So that areas are very large areas. And Nalgonda map, Telangana. Yes, means towns, cities, and countries also. Means they are the large areas. That are the large areas. So we give the map only. And large area with proper measurements. We give the proper measurements. And it has a scale. So we have a scale. But so when we use a scale, so we use this distance purpose, we use the scale. But in that large areas, we use the scale. Yes, we use the scale only. But in our India map is it. So in India map, we use the that is long distance from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Yes, means the scale helps to represent the distance. But at small levels only, it's represent the levels, but small levels. For example, in India map, we are taking for 300 kilometers. For 300 kilometers, only we take 2 centimeters in our scale. In scale, we take only 2 centimeters. Means 2 centimeters are equal to 300 kilometers. Otherwise, we take 100 kilometer equal to 1 centimeter. 500 kilometers equal to 1 centimeter. We take like that also. Because that is a long distance. Means so many kilometers are there. Thousands of kilometers. So we cannot measure that. That's why we take equal to in centimeters. Suppose 500 kilometers equal to 1 centimeter, like that. So here given example is 300 kilometers is equal to 2 centimeters. 300 kilometers are equal to 2 centimeters in scale. This is scale measurement. Okay, children? And a book of map. A book of map. A book of map is called book of map is called an atlas. And a book of map. So when you are in higher section, you learn that maps. Maps. So a book of map, that is called an atlas. So we call atlas. Okay, children. So here in your textbook given the India map. So all of you observe that. See, states and union states are there. So state capital. So some here in that some rounds are there, some circles are there. So these are not fillable. So what are that state capitals? They are the state capitals. You know already. How many states are there in India? How many states are there? How many states? Kanishka. Unmute yourself, Nana. Our India has how many states? Anishka. Yes, very good. Chaitra, Bharat, Chandrajikum, very good. All of you. Okay. So, how many states are there? Yeah, Harika. Manisha, good, very good. Sadia, good. Very good, Nana, Chaman. So, we have 29 states. Already we learned that states also. Yes? So, we have 29 states. And we have 29 states now. So, every state have one capital. So in this India map, given the capitals also. See that small circle. It shows the state capital. It shows the state capital. See here, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar. Okay, see here, total in Telangana, Hyderabad. So every in the map given the some holes. These holes are not filled up. That is what are the states, state capitals. Okay. Next is union. So here given the India map and in that here world map also is there, children, in your textbook. So world map. So we you observe that world map also. See here when we see on globe. Did you know, children, globe? So this is globe. In this globe, what can we what do we see? Observe. So we observe everything, Nana, and what countries and oceans. Countries, we observe countries and oceans also. So when we take globe, this is north face. Yes, this is north face, and this is south, and this is east and west. Okay, and here you observe that here oceans also is there. Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. So you observe and circle your our India map. So in this world map, India also is there. So you round up the India map in this picture. Okay, Nana? Chaitra. Unmute yourself, Chaitra. What is your doubt?
Teacher, the worksheet day 2, what teacher EVS?
So day 2 worksheet. So after completion of this class, ask doubt, Nana, about your worksheet. Okay? Now in the middle of the class, don't ask about your worksheets. Okay, children. Next is symbols used in maps. Symbols used in maps. So we know very well symbols used in maps in India map. We can observe some symbols. So when do you see that India map, we can observe some symbols over there. So we know very well. So symbols means what? Symbols are these are the images. Symbols means these are the images. Image means what? One picture. Yes, image means what? Picture. One picture. Symbols are the images and that indicate or signify or understood as representing an idea. Means suppose here airport is there. So how we know there is one airport? How we know? So they have a aeroplane symbol. So we can easily understood. So this side aeroplane, airport is there. Same like that, see children, in our villages also. So here post office, police station, and bank, hospitals, and schools, hotels, temples. So in every place they use the one symbol. So bus stand, suppose hospital is there. That hospital, we use this symbol. So they mention the hospital name also. Yes, next to fuel station. Fuel station. Fuel station means what? Petrol bunk. Fuel station means what? Petrol bunk. So we can see this symbol. Where in petrol bunks. Petrol bunks means before 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers too, they keep the symbols. So from 2 kilometers to they give the instruction 2 kilometers after one bunk is there. After that 1 kilometer after petrol bunk is there. So after that 500 meters. So they give the before the when we reach the petrol bunk. So before the 2 kilometers they give some they keep the some images means symbols. And next is hotel. Hotel is this symbol. And police station. So this is a police station symbol, and here mention the policeman photo also. Here they keep the policeman photo also. So these are the symbols and temples. Temples. Yes, mountains. See here mountains also. Mountains. So this is the symbol of mountain. And here given the some three mountains. So here what they mention maintain. What is that? Range of mountain. Mountain range. This is mountain range symbol. Mountain range symbol. Okay. Next is bridge. So this is the bridge symbol. So we know it is a railway gate. Railway. This is railway symbol. And same like that in our traffic signals. You know very well traffic signals. Yes? Traffic signals. What are that? This is a signal of one way. This is a signal of one way. And P signal. So it is parking place. So these all are the what are the symbols. Yes, next is this is the symbol of footpath. This is zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. Next is so this is the footpath. So these all are the symbols. Means we giving one image. So we show something. So when suppose the fuel station or aeroplane or bus stand or bank or post office and or police station, we have some places. So any new people come to our village or town or in city, they don't know. Say so we give some instructions. So they follow that images. So they reach the they what are that place they reach them. Okay, means symbols are these are the images. So we indicate or signify and understood as representing an idea, object or relationship. This is a object. So we keep here. So after that, oh, okay, no. Now it is zebra crossing. So we stop the vehicle. So when we use P means parking. So we will park here. Our bike or car or bicycle, anything. So our vehicle is parking here only. So don't keep parking other place. When the P image is there, so you park your vehicle in that place only. Okay, here on the road they give this symbol. Oh, today this is a one-way route only, so don't go double route. Don't go this side. So this is a one-way route. Okay, this is footpath, and this is a hospital symbol. This is fuel station, means petrol bunk, and this is hotel, and this is police station. And next, it is a mountain symbol. So when we say, so these all symbols, some symbols we show on India map. So oceans, mountains, bridges, railways. Okay. Next, hospitals, main hospitals, police stations. Just when we show in our India map or our state map or our district map or our city map. So we shows these symbols on the maps. Okay, children? We achieved, all communication is achieved through the use of symbols. All communications, police station, every communication is achieved through the use of symbols. So we use the symbols. We use the symbols. Okay? Next is, but here in your textbook also given some symbols. Airport, fuel station, taxi stand means bus stand, temples, hotel. Okay, children? And the art of map. Suppose now show you draw India map. Can you anybody draw India map perfectly? Perfectly we can draw? No. But some of the, oh, Kanishka, very good. So some of the people, so they draw anything with perfection. So what we call cartography. We call cartography. So the art of map making is called cartography. The art of map making. The art of map making. So not only our India map, see all maps means total globe. Not only our India map, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, America, Dakshina Africa, Korea, every country maps they can draw perfectly. It means that is a one art. Drawing is a art. So what we call the art of map making is called cartography. So we know, children, some arts are there. Suppose you draw, you do the dance, that is your art. So literature, painting, geometry, music, performing, okay, graphics, visuals. So these are the arts. Graphics. So see, children, in the movies we can see easily the total is graphics. Yes, and visuals also. They use the graphics and visuals. Means they have one person. So what is that person art? So he shows graphics and visuals. So every man have one art. So I have my art is teaching. So you also have an art. So you draw something. So that is your art. So some of the children, yeah, their handwriting is very nice. So their art is writing. Yes, some of the children they read perfectly. Yes, their art is reading. Yes, these are every person has one art. There is special. they do one thing is perfect. So their art is that only. So here map making is called cartography. Okay, children. Acclamation, what happened? Okay. See, children, here. So you observe India map and world map also means globe. So when we see the globe, that is see in our principal's room. Did you see, children? In our principal's room, we see globe. See in every see globe is this is round. So this is globe. Here mentioned all countries. They mentioned all countries and oceans also. Yes, we have four main oceans are there. What are the? Arctic, Atlantic, Pacific and Hindu Ocean. So we know very well Hindu Ocean, Indian Ocean. Yes? So these are the four oceans and they mentioned four oceans and to all countries also. So this is area. What is the globe area? It is small place. This is small area. But we see all things in that globe only. Yes, children, did you understand? So this is globe is a small place. So this is like a ball. But we see all things in that oceans and countries and capitals. Everything we can see in the globe only. Okay? See here, India map also is there. So all of you read all states and capitals, Nana. You will learn all states and capitals. Okay, children? See, if you have any doubt. So, Chaitra, you took worksheet on yesterday. Yes? Okay. Ela Varsha. What is your doubt, Ela Varsha? Unmute yourself.
Teacher, today homework what teacher?
Okay, Nana. See, children, about your homework purpose also you are having doubt. Yes? So, in that lesson purpose, if you have any doubt, did you understood your total lesson? No. So, to homework, today's homework is read mapping neighborhood lesson and underline the hard words, children, because you don't know this topic about this topic. This is new topic in your class, in this third class, because in second class you don't know that. Yes? So all of you read mapping neighborhood lesson and underline the hard words. And one more also is there. What is that? Learn states and capitals. Learn states and their capitals now. Okay, I hope today's class is you understood. Yes? And Sanvi, unmute yourself, Aruhi. Aruhi, unmute yourself. I talk to Sanvi. Okay? Sanvi?
Girl telling.
Okay, you only. I'm asking you only. What about worksheet, Rana, Sanvi? Send your father to school.
I don't know, teacher. This girl is teacher.
Yes, I said to Aruhi only, but you come to school and collect your worksheet, Nana. Just you and P. Satvik is there. Only two members did not collect your worksheet. Okay? Other all the children have collected their first worksheet and second worksheet also. Very good. Okay? Thank you, children. Thank you very much. And P. Satvik, don't forget, after 2 o'clock, call me, Nana.